We're ready to talk about basins. Basins are a great deal like domes, except they point the other way. So if you had a variety of bowls that you could stack one inside the other, that's a little bit what a basin looks like. So we start out with our same 3 layers as from all the previous examples. Layer 1 is the oldest and it's on the bottom. 2 will be in the middle, 3 will be on top. The rock layers get compressed, but instead of coming in just from 2 directions, it comes in all the way around 360 degrees and gives us this bowl shape instead of the taco shape we had with a syncline. And then if we let erosion come and eat some of the rock away, we have a pattern for our geologic map. So again, if we color, we'll have our Play-Doh again where the pink is on the bottom and the green is on the top. So pink is on the bottom and the green is on the top. I'll go ahead and color that in. Purple in the middle. And now to do our basin shape. So I take the Play-Doh and I push in, but I push in all the way around. I always think this looks a little bit like having a taco bowl when you're done with it. It looks very much like the taco bowls I've ordered in restaurants when you get your taco salad. So we have our little bowl shape, our basin. If we put down the cutting board and anchor it and use the string to cut away at the rock, to erode it away, again in real life, it would be because of a glacier or a river or some sort of earth-moving equipment. But today I'm cutting away with my string. You'll see that what we end up with again are those nested circles we've had before, but this time we have old on the outside and young in the middle. Old on the outside and young in the middle. So to draw that, we would do our series of nested circles. Again, they don't have to be perfectly shaped. But I've got my 3 circles to match my 3 layers of rock. The hot pink is on the outside. It was layer number 1 because it was the oldest. 2 is the purple and 3 is the green. To get our strike and dip symbols, the strike goes parallel to the existing rock layers. So maybe 1 here and over here and over there and I don't know, somewhere in through here. Now, which way do they go? Well, if we look at that shape of a bowl, again going back to the analogy of if it rained, which way would the water go? The water is going to all pool towards the center of the bowl. So while the strikes are parallel to the existing rock layers, the dips are all going to point in towards the center of the bowl. So they'll point in to the center of the bowl. I think I took my number 1 for the rock layer and turned it into a strike and dip. Sorry about that, but they point into the middle, into the middle. And now we have to do our colors. So we've got green on the inside. And then purple is our layer number 2. It surrounds it. Purple is layer number 2. And then followed by hot pink is the very last layer. Hot pink is our last layer. So this is what a basin looks like. This is what a basin looks like. Basins, just like synclines, have young in the middle and old on the outside edges.